Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get best JD Sports working promo codes or discount codes. So how can you get it and apply on the website? Now first of all, just go to Google, open a browser, and once you're at the Google, so search this website inside this section or inside the URL, just write down coupon follow, press enter, and you will see this website couponfollow.com. The first one, just open the website, and once you're at this home page, so you will see a search section, just click here and just write down here JD Sports, JD Sports or jdsports.com, and you will see multiple websites. As you can see, this is for UK, IE, and this is for US, depending on the country. Just open the, let's say I want to go with the US one, so just open the website, and once I open it, so you will see a list of all the promo codes listed in the website. Now some of them might not be working, so as you can see, like there are a lot of promo codes and a lot of people using at the same time, so make sure to try multiple codes and one of them might work for you. As you can see, like the codes are updated daily, so these are the listed codes for today. Now let's say I want to go with this one, 25% off or 20% off. Just click on show coupon code, and once you click it, you will see the coupon code like this. Just click on copy, and that will be copied, and after that you can just directly click at redeem at JD Sports US. So that will redirect you to their website, which you can use, which you can go to and redeem, or you can say that apply these coupon codes and get your discount.